We're going around and visiting the waterfalls in northern Wisconsin. So let's go ahead and get into it. It's gonna be a beautiful day. Let's continue this journey of the waterfalls. Here we are at stop number 5. This is so pretty. Wow. Absolutely lovely. That's pretty, but we're gonna keep going, do some more exploring. Come on, Goldie, let's keep going this way. Probably only about 7:15 right now. The nice thing about that, being early, we're the only ones here right now. That's the best part. Come on, this way. Let's go down here. Come on. Let's go check this out. Come on, Goldie, we can't go any further that way. Oh, you go up that way. Well, I'm going up this way. And that's gonna be Lake Superior out there. As long as I don't fall, we'll be in good shape to get down in here. That was a fun little hike getting out here. A couple little waterfalls. We got a nice little view here at the end. There's another view we're gonna go check out, so let's go take a look at that. Right now. Oh no, this is a nice view. Everybody's out fishing. Oh, I just heard somebody said they snapped it off. Goldie, cool spot, isn't it? For sure it is. Let's head back to the car and figure out where we're going next. Well, that was a lot of fun checking this place out, walking out to Lake Superior. Nice walking trails. I would definitely recommend checking this out. Let's go ahead, grab Goldie, hop in the hot rod Prius, and head for the next place. Hey, you gotta get in the car. Come on, hop in so we can go to the next place. Come on. All right, our next falls that we're going to be heading for is in Saxon, Wisconsin, and that is Superior Falls. Our next stop is Superior Falls. Let's head in, check it out, see what it looks like. Look at that, there's only one other vehicle here, and that's it. Let's find a place to park and go do some hiking. Man, what a beautiful day. We can go down that way, or we can go this way. Let's go up here and check this area out first. It's a pretty decent view, I would say. That was a nice view right there, but we want to go down there and check that out. Well, it gets kind of steep. Buckets. Walk down some of these rocks. That's kind of neat. Somebody made a little fire pit. I just figured out, in order for us to get up to where them waterfalls are, we parked in the lower parking lot. There's an upper parking lot, so we got to hike back up that hill and go up to the other parking lot. So let's get after it. And I thought we could get there going that way, but we can't. We gotta go to the other parking lot. Come on, Goldie. We gotta go up this big hill. Boy, that was a workout going up that hill. But I think we'll just leave the car parked there because the other parking lot's just right up here. Oh my gosh, look at this. Holy buckets. That's beautiful. That was a look kind of from up on top, but there's another trail that we're walking on that hopefully it takes us a little further down and a little closer. I have a caution sign here. We better stop and read this before we head down. All right, I read through it. Let's head down there. Down we go. That is so pretty. So pretty. All right, Goldie, let's follow the trail and go this way. I don't know, but this place is super cool and super pretty. We need to climb up this way. We need to go down this way. Goldie, we better finish hiking, huh? We better finish hiking up to the dam. There we go. We'll get up here where it's a little easier to hike these falls to get up towards the dam. Oh yeah, I can make that. This is where it took us. This rock. That's where the dam is back there, but I want to go ahead and try and get up here, get a better view of the dam. So let's climb up this hill. Away we go, climbing up the hill. There we go, we made it from down there. Let's go see what this looks like now. That was fun walking along here, checking out all the waterfalls along this whole trail. But now what I want to do is go back, get the drone out, fly the drone around here. Not every spot I've flown the drone around at all these waterfalls that we're looking at, because some of them aren't the best, but this one is really good, and I want to get the drone out and fly it, so let's go do that now. All right, figured out where we're headed. We're heading for Saxon Falls in Saxon, Wisconsin. All right, away we go, leaving Superior Falls. That was fun at this spot. Let's head for Saxon Falls. Viewing area or the dam? Let's go to the viewing area, then we'll go up and check out the dam. Quite the little hill to get down in here. Come on, Goldie, lead the way. That's fun looking at that. Now let's go up this way and check out what kind of view we got. Not sure where the trail leads, but we are going to find out where the trail goes. Come on, Goldie, keep going. We want to get to the bottom so we can check out the cool part of these waterfalls. Goldie and I successfully managed to climb through all the side of the hill. Boy, that was a challenge, but it's going to be well worth it. Wait and see this. I just have to finish getting down first. There we go, made it down from the side of the hill. Oh, this is great. Let's keep venturing downstream. You cannot tell me climbing from up there all the way down wasn't worth this amazing view. I mean, seriously, this is wonderful. This just makes me smile. I definitely have to say this spot qualifies as being epic. This is awesome. We're gonna start venturing our way back. Here's where we're gonna start, and then we're gonna make our way all the way up to the top. There, that's not so bad, I guess. Yay, we made it to the top finally. We're just gonna make our way back to the car and figure out our next waterfalls that we're gonna go check out. Pretty cool. Come on, Goldie. Let's go up here. Pretty. So cool. And that is a Canadian river. I think it was called the Montreal River, if I remember right. If not, edit that out. Let's keep going to our next waterfall. We're at our next waterfalls already, and they got this cool sign over here that I want to go take a look at and show you. We'll be right back. We're gonna go look at a sign, Goldie. Interstate Falls. Oh, Goldie's not there. I figured she would be. Where is she? Oh, look at her. She's laying down. Find ourselves a place to park. Nice part, you start getting close to where the falls are, you can hear it and it sounds so cool, so relaxing. This is pretty and everything, but we want to see where the main part is. Goldie, I see a fork in the road. Which way are we gonna go? Should we go this way? She wants to go that way. I think we should go this way. Let's go this way. This is pretty. Now, how nice would that be to have that house and own it and live there? That'd be fantastic. Nice little area here with a bench. Here's the good part. We get to go down there and get a really good view of this waterfall. Oh, for sure a nice deck here to look at. Goldie and I are down underneath where this deck at. Really pretty. Check this out. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Alright, let's keep moving. We're not going to see all these waterfalls sitting here just taking in all that beauty. There's more beautiful waterfalls to look at, so let's get moving. Up we go, huh, Goldie? Up we go. Goldie and I really couldn't ask for a nicer weekend to be out doing this. It's so beautiful out today. Goldie, she's plumb tuckered out. We're gonna hit one more waterfall in the town of Gile, Gile, Wisconsin, however you say it. Gile Falls. I'm probably saying it wrong, and I'm so sorry, but let's head there. Away we go, on to the next waterfall. For sure, this is the right spot where we want to be. This is our next stop. Well, we got ourselves a parking spot right there. Let's go check this place out. Follow the trail, I guess. It must be the right way. Oh, this is really pretty. Alright, let's see what happens. Let's go ahead and go out here and get a view. Nice, huh? Not sure where this trail goes, but let's check it out a little bit anyways. Watch out. Don't hit your head. There's the bridge down there where we came across. Not a bad view up here. Bunch of trees right in this area, but that's alright. Pretty. What a day we've had. We've checked out a bunch of different waterfalls. We've checked out so many today. I can't even remember how many we've looked at. But it's getting near the end of the day, and I think it's time Goldie and I look for a spot where we can do some car camping tonight. So let's head back to the car and get that journey underway of looking for a free car camping spot. Well, with any luck, we'll find a camping spot down this road someplace. Sunset's pretty, you can kind of see it through them trees a little bit. Goldie, she's all about looking out the window.
You have arrived.
Right at our destination. Goldie, should we show them our campsite? We got a beautiful spot here. Let's take a look. This is going to be our campsite for the night. I got to get parked. Goldie, we got to get back in, honey. That should work, Goldie. I think that's going to be our camping spot for tonight. Let's get out and look around. Goldie, that's good. First thing she does, go to the bathroom. That's good. But check out our free campsite for the night. Look at that sunset, too. How beautiful is that? Not too bad of a free camping spot, I'd say. Look at that sunset. That's so pretty. Wow. Love it. Alright, we've had a super busy day. I said that earlier, we had a super busy day. I think Goldie and I are just going to relax. I'm going to actually have a fire, but I'm going to have it with Goldie, and that's it. A little me time to relax since it was such a busy day. Hopefully you had a fun day.